This is for people that may have problems with hinges on patio doors. We've had a nightmare. Took us ages, but we discovered it, so we thought we'd share it with the world wide web. If you have any hinges very similar to these, there's two adjustments that are made. You've got two grub screws at the bottom there. Take that, loosen that 5mm hex head, and use a block of wood to actually knock down the hinge. These don't adjust anything, they're like stops. So adjust that, get a block of wood with a hammer, knock it down to your desired height, bosh, bosh, bish, bash, bosh. If you need to change the actual
from left to right with the adjustment,
yes, these small grub screws, you undo these little screws, crop Phillips head, and then you get another block of wood and hit the centre like so, and that shoots open the panel
like that. And you see inside the two screws that we undone, and then this screw here, that adjusts the movement to go left or right. And obviously, so when you've finished, close that, tighten these two screws, and that's that done. So again, the two underneath ones, this one is to undo
the height,
is to unlock it, and then that moves your hinges up and down. You'd have three of these, one up there, one in the middle, and one down the bottom. And then once you've adjusted the height, lock it again. On this one is to move the door in and out to stop any binding of when you close the door. And again, this one is to move the doors from left to right. So there you go. Hope this was a help to anyone, and hope no one gets this palaver we got into again.
Yeah, nearly a divorce.
And this is Scott speaking, and this is Daniel.
Bernard.